to check your tire pressure. Take the cap off. And this is your most standard design tire gauge. These things are available at almost all auto parts stores. And basically you push it on there, and then it's going to push this white plastic part out. And then you're going to rotate it until PSI. And it will, when you push it on there, the air will push this out. And whatever number is showing, that's how much pressure is in your tire. You also have it in bar if you want to go in metric, PSI, KPA, whatever works best for you. When you do this, you want to make sure this round surface here is square or in line with the tire valve. If it does a lot of like when you're trying to check it, you're not only not getting an accurate reading, but you're also letting air out of your tire. And nobody wants that. So hold the thing up there. Make sure you're not blocking the little air pressure plunger. And it should just give it one quick, just like that. Then from here, we can hold it up and we can see we have about, it's just under 25, so about 24.5 PSI inside this tire. I'm going to clip my microphone down there. That way you can hopefully hear what this should sound like. When you go to put this thing on there, it should sound like this. Should sound like that. If you're going, you're not getting an accurate reading, and you're just draining tire air pressure out. So remember, you just want to hear just like that. And then there's your reading.